to the future with confidence when a large part of the population turns to a 7th century desert for answers? These are the questions that the political elite, that the multiculturalists don't want to answer. And instead of providing leadership, our political elite is fooling us. Fool us by using our own principles against us. Let me give you some examples. First, tolerance. Our tolerance is used as an argument to bring in more Islam, to bring in more Muslims, and a way to tell us that we should not criticize their Islamic culture. If you do, you are labeled intolerant and a racist. Second, democracy. A growing Muslim electorate is too hard for politicians to resist, at least in my country. So many politicians give in to their grievances and their demands to win their vote. Before long, Sharia law could be introduced legally and democratically by means of a majority vote. The former Dutch Attorney General, the former Dutch Minister of Justice, said once in the Dutch Parliament that Sharia law could be part of the Dutch legal system if a 2/3 majority of the population would be in favor of that. And we all know that Sharia would mean the end of democracy. Islam and democracy are fully incompatible. Third, our religious freedom. This is utilized by an ideology that has no plans whatsoever to play by our rules, yet demands the same rights as our traditional religions have had for centuries. Fourth, our welfare state, that once was the envy of the world, now functions as a magnet